Hello, in this video, you will find out and I will discuss on how to become an Odoo developer. You can start by learning the basics of Python programming since Odoo is built on Python. And next, you have to be familiar with the Odoo framework by exploring its official documentation and understanding its modular structure. You should also learn XML code and JavaScript so that you will be able to use it for customizing views and adding interactive features. And you can try setting up a local Odoo development environment on your computer to practice building and modifying modules. It is also helpful to work on small projects or contribute to open source Odoo apps to gain experience. Joining the Odoo community forums can also provide support and insights from other developers. You can keep practicing and expanding your skills, and you will be on your way to becoming an Odoo developer. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if this helped.